Alright, here we go. Got my 450 Bushmaster sighted in on the Remington AccuTips 260 grain. What I'm doing here today in this video is just to see if there's any difference, if I'm going to have to make the adjustment when using the Winchester Super X PowerPoints 260 grains. Just going to see how far they're off from each other. I guess zero difference is what we're looking at here. You know, if they're going to shoot the same or not. But y'all go ahead and stick around and see how it goes. Alright, as you can see, not a lot of difference between the two. Sighted in for that one. Usually I tend to see a difference with different style bullets. They'll be off a little bit, you gotta make adjustments and stuff. And like I said, this is the Remington AccuTips and the Winchester PowerPoints are pretty much shooting the same. So that's a good deal. I think it's good information to know. But there you go. Yeah, not bad groups. That's about 50 yards with. You can see they're shooting the same. The AccuTips definitely got the win on this one because you got two in the same hole. And then, like I said, with this down here, if this would have been up here, I mean, it pretty much would have been identical. I'd still say it's pretty much identical. They're shooting the same between the two different style of bullets, which is really cool. So, there you go. Thanks for watching.